Progressive English Learning.
Huh? Why is my phone vibrating like this? Wait, 20 missed calls? From the same number? I don't even know this number. 21 missed calls now? What is going on? Did I miss something important? Maybe it's an emergency. Or is it a scam call? But who calls 20 times for a scam? This feels strange. Should I call back? What if it's something serious? Or maybe someone dialed my number by mistake. Still, 20 times is too much. Okay, calm down. I'll call once and check. Wait, what if the person is angry? No, I just need to know what's happening. All right, I'm calling now.
Hello? Finally! Why were you calling me again and again?
Hello? I think you called me first.
What? No, you called me more than 15 times.
No. I just saw 20 missed calls from your number.
That's impossible. I was getting calls from you all evening.
Wait, what? That doesn't make sense.
Are you joking with me?
No, why would I do that?
Then how did I get so many calls from your number?
I should be asking the same thing.
This is really weird.
Yeah, something is wrong here.
Did you press my number by mistake?
I don't even know your number.
Then how did you call me?
I didn't call you.
This is so confusing.
Seriously, I'm also confused.
Wait, are you hiding something?
No, why would I hide anything?
Because this doesn't look normal.
I agree, but I'm not lying.
This is getting strange.
Yeah, very strange.
Okay, listen. You clearly called me many times.
No, you called me. I was just sitting and studying.
Then explain my call log.
You explain mine first.
This is so annoying.
Yeah, it really is.
Maybe you were bored and kept calling random numbers?
Seriously? I'm not that free.
Then how did this happen?
I don't know. Maybe your phone is the problem.
My phone works perfectly fine.
Well, mine too.
Then someone is lying here.
I'm not lying.
Same here.
This is going nowhere.
Exactly. We're just repeating the same thing.
Wait, did you save my number before?
No, never. Never.
Then how did your phone show my number?
That's what I'm asking you.
This is giving me a headache.
Me too.
Maybe it's some network issue?
Maybe. But still, it feels strange.
Yeah, like something is off.
I don't like this at all.
Same here.
Did you hear that beep?
Yeah. What was that?
Hello? Hello? Who is this?
Wait, who just spoke?
I was about to ask the same thing.
Hello? I can hear you both. Who are you people?
This is Arjun. But how are you on this call?
I'm Ria. I didn't add anyone.
I didn't add anyone either.
Is this some kind of conference call?
I never started a conference call.
Me neither.
This is getting even weirder.
Seriously, what is happening right now?
I was just calling my friend, and suddenly I heard both of you.
That's impossible.
Yeah. How can 3 people connect randomly?
I don't know, but this is creepy.
Wait, are you sure you dialed the correct number?
Yes, I'm 100% sure.
This doesn't feel normal at all.
Yeah, something is really wrong.
Should we hang up?
I think we should.
Yeah, let's end this call.
Okay, this is too strange.
What just happened? That was not normal. 3 people on one call without adding anyone? This is seriously weird. Oh no, not again. It's a voice message? From the same number? I didn't send anything.
Should I listen to it? What if it's something strange? Okay, just listen once.
Why did you call me?
What? I didn't say that.
You called many times.
This is creepy.
Don't call again.
Wait, this sounds distorted. Like broken audio.
But why is it saying I called? This is getting scary now. Another message? No, I don't like this. Maybe I should call back and clear this. Yeah, I need answers. I can't just ignore this. All right, I'm calling again.
Hello?
Ria? It's me again, Arjun.
Oh, you called again.
Yeah, I had to. Did you send me a voice message?
Voice message? No, I didn't send anything.
Are you sure? I just received one from your number.
I didn't record anything, I swear.
It said, "Why did you call me? Don't call again."
What? That's exactly what I heard earlier.
Wait, you got a message too?
Yes, a very strange one.
This is not normal.
I'm starting to feel nervous.
Same here. This is getting out of control.
Maybe someone is using our numbers?
Like some kind of call glitch?
Or maybe a network error?
That could be possible.
Wait, did that third person, Samir, say something similar?
He said he was calling his friend, but got connected to us.
So maybe all our calls got mixed up?
Yeah, like crossed connections?
That explains the missed calls too.
Oh, wow. That actually makes sense.
So maybe no one actually called anyone on purpose.
Exactly. It's just a technical problem.
I feel a little better now.
Me too. At least it's not something scary.
Okay, let's think clearly now.
Yeah, step by step.
I got missed calls from your number.
And I got missed calls from yours.
Then Samir joined randomly.
Which means the calls were getting mixed.
Like the network connected wrong numbers together.
Exactly. A call routing problem.
That also explains the voice message.
Yes. Maybe it wasn't even your real voice.
It sounded distorted, right?
Yeah, like broken audio.
So maybe it was a glitch message.
Or some delayed recording.
Oh, wow. This was just a big misunderstanding.
Yeah, we were blaming each other for no reason.
We almost had a fight.
Seriously, I thought you were accusing me.
And I thought you were lying.
But actually, no one did anything.
Just a wrong number mix-up.
I feel so relieved now.
Same here. My heart was beating so fast before.
Mine too.
At least now, everything makes sense.
Yeah, finally.
You know, this is actually a funny story now.
Yeah. At first, it felt like a mystery movie.
Or even a horror story.
That voice message scared me a little.
Same. I almost didn't listen to it again.
And when Samir joined, I was like, what is happening?
I thought my phone was broken.
I even checked my settings twice.
Me too.
Well, at least we didn't fight seriously.
Yeah, we handled it well.
By the way, sorry if I sounded rude earlier.
No, it's okay. I was also a bit angry.
We were both confused.
Exactly.
So, now we're good?
Of course. All good.
Nice. That's a relief.
And hey, now we're not strangers anymore.
That's true.
Next time, if I call, it will be on purpose.
Same here.
All right, I should go now.
Yeah, me too.
Take care, Arjun.
You too, Ria. Bye.
Bye.